Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're looking at Metaplex or MPLX token. As you can see here, this token basically came out back in 2021, I think, or 2022, or sorry, 2022. And after that, after a big launch, it actually ended up hitting pretty big low around 3.1 cent. And if you look at its market cap is also it's doing pretty well as of now, but again it actually ended up hitting a low as high as 50 million. Now as of now, the biggest news for this coin is that the Coinbase just listed a Metaplex or MPLXC, and it is on the Solana, as you can see here. And if we look here, it is a pretty straightforward protocol. So basically it allows users to launch tokens and NFTs on Solana and the Solana virtual machine. As of now, there are over 920 million total assets created. That includes tokens as well as NFTs, plus like 10 billion dollar plus total transaction value, pretty big one, and 11.4 million unique signers. That is a lot, I would say. And after that, they do have a pretty big ecosystem that includes Pump.fun, Radium, Magic Eden, Stardust, Phantom, and even others. So they do have, I would say, a pretty massive ecosystem as well. And they did announce a new platform called Genesis, as you can see here, a new protocol for token launches on Solana on July 14th. So I would say that is another W for them, and that has been slowly showing off in the price action, as you can see here. So it basically started to recover from July 7th, as you can see here, and it's up from 10 cent to as high as 16 cents. So it's not that high, but again it could go higher. Anyways, let's break it down. Now if we just look at their document, this is how it looks like. The Metaplex protocol is a decentralized platform built on Solana blockchain designed to facilitate the creation, sale, and management of digital assets or tokens. It offers tools and standards for developers, creators, and business to launch tokens and NFTs on Solana and the Solana virtual machine. Known for powering digital assets including NFTs, fungible tokens, RWAs, gaming assets, deepen assets, and more. So they are also in RWAs as well. Metaplex is one of the most widely used blockchain protocols and developers platform with over 881 million assets minted across 10.2 million unique signers. So that is a lot, and the volume is a lot as well. Now if we talk about the token itself, it is a governance token, and they have been doing something really interesting. So basically they have been using their protocol revenue to buy back the tokens as well. So as of now, the protocol revenue has been over 337 million. It is I think, yes, it's around 37 million. And if we look here, they have been buying back the tokens. So as of now, they have bought back like around 6% of the total MPLX supply. We'll talk about the supply in just a second. And they have used this revenue to purchase MPLX. So they have used like over 100k sold. So that is a lot, I would say. And these are the unique transactions that happened. And overall, I think that is a pretty good thing that they are doing. So basically they are using their protocol revenue to buy back the tokens. So I would say that's pretty massive utility, or you can say massive demand driver for the token. And this is how the fees looks like, and all of these fees are basically used to buy back the tokens. So I would say that's pretty good for the coin in general. Now if we look at the token supply, it has a max supply of 1 billion, and this is how it was distributed. So like 200 went to the Metaplex Foundation, 160 million to Metaplex DAO, airdroppers / community got around 54, creators and early supporters 219, which is a lot, I would say. Strategic round over 100, Metaplex Studio 94, advisors 33, and founding partners 31, and ever stake got like 94. So there is a significant chunk of the supply that went to the investors, I would say, and that could be the reason why the token has struggled so far. But if we look at the protocol's revenue and the fees, they have been consistent, so I would say that's a pretty good for the Metaplex, is they will most likely be used to buy back some tokens. Now the problem with the token, another token would be that it has had a problem with listings, so it's not available on that many exchanges, so that could be one of the reasons why the token has struggled so much. But again, looking at all the things, it seems a pretty good, I would say it seems pretty bullish protocol, at least from all of the stats. They have been buying back tokens, so I would say that's pretty good, and it also seems to be pretty bullish thing for them. So let's see when they make a new purchase. As well, as you can see, just back in June they ended up purchasing like 8.64, so they have been injecting the capital into the coin, so that's pretty good. So as of now, it has been trying to break out. So if you look at it, just broke its downtrend from, if we look, we are looking at weekly chart. So it just broke this downtrend, and it does need to close above this. If it does close above this, like above 17 cent or even 18 cent, I think it can go higher, like 25 cent is a possibility, or even 34 cent is a possibility, or even 46. And looking at how they are using their protocol revenue, if the market does holds, I think this could be a really interesting coin to get into, because their fundamentals, at least as of now, look very good. So I would say if the market does go up, there's a pretty good chance that this coin could actually perform really well. Now again, it has a limited listings, so if they are able to acquire more listings such as Binance or even other listings, I think the token could perform really well. But as of now, due to its listing, I would say it has that problem. Now if the market does go up, I'm expecting a pretty good resistance around 50 cent if it does go up. But as of now, it does needs to break above this downtrend, and this downtrend seems to be pretty strong one, as you can see, and it has been rejecting around 200 EMA if we look at the daily chart, so that is also not good. So same thing happened back in April. It actually ended up rejecting from 200 EMA, and it actually hit a new low around 9.2. so if it breaks above the 200 EMA, I'm expecting a pretty good, I would say a pretty good price surge. If that happens, 33 cent or even 25 cent is a possibility. And if the market does continues to go down, I would say this coin could be a pretty good coin to accumulate if the market does crash, because of their buybacks, and at least most of the tokens have been vested, so I would say that's pretty good. So around 10 cent to, I would say around 2.6 cent is a pretty good accumulation zone as well for this coin. And as of now, hopefully if it stays above this, if this stays above this trend line, I think we can expect a pretty good move. But again, it's a crypto market, anything is possible. Anyways, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.